right? So markets will close at 1 p.m. I will not be trading tomorrow, so there will be no updates available at the end of the day. There will be no morning pre-market call, and the analysis that we are doing right now will extend over to Thursday as well. In case there are any changes, if there is any sudden move in the market, which I'm not expecting because of a half day, I will be posting another video tomorrow in the evening. Hello traders, let us quickly take a look at what we are expecting tomorrow. This is again the monthly chart. We start from the monthly chart. You see there is no bearishness here. It's a strong steady candle, and as a result of which this line, this 5707, may actually become a reality on in this month itself, right? So there is no bearishness here. There is no change to what we discussed yesterday about the monthly chart. So we are still going up. The weekly chart is also the same. There are no changes. It's the second day of the week, and we have already gone above the high of the previous week, right? So we have created a new all-time high today. So there, again, no changes to the weekly chart, and we are still thinking that we will come to this 5594, 5640. These areas are our targets. On the daily chart, now we see that we had the breakout yesterday, and today we had the follow through. If we can now hold this bottom at 554042, then we will keep going up to hit at least this 5573, then 5584, 5594 to 96, all those areas. Now by this time you all know the generic levels that we have, right? And this is the 4-hour chart. Again, the same thing. We have closed above this resistance area, and now I am expecting that the whole night we will be around this area. We will not come down below the 5558 line anymore, hopefully, and then we will keep going up in the morning tomorrow, and maybe we will have another squeeze. Who knows? Apart from that, the hourly chart also stays the same, and if you see, there are no changes to any of the channels or anything that we have, right? We were in this channel. This is the RTAs that we are looking at. That's why it is different. We were in this channel. We are still in this channel. However, we still have to go above this line, which is the midpoint of the channel, in order to see that if we can go high up into this area, right? So this is the this is the hourly chart. So there are no changes. We just created a new high. That's the new normal of the market. Every day passes, we try to create a new high. So whatever analysis we had to, we will still be going up. We will looking at levels on the top. We will be looking at these channel lines, the channel midline, and then we will see what happens. So let us now look at the final piece of the puzzle, the RTH 5 minutes chart. So we went above this resistance area. We are above the resistance. We created a new all-time high, and we are holding this area for now. If overnight the price wants to come down, we can come down to this 5554 area. If now I think that this will be a major point of support, the 5554 to the 5553 area, because this has been a continuous area of resistance all day, and finally we took a bounce off of that level and created a new high. So this is telling me that this is going to have a very good significance. And even if we come down somewhere here, you see that we have this two legs that went up. If we draw this, then we'll have to see in the RTA chart if we are going somewhere here, hitting the resistance and then getting rejected. So that's where we will see that if we want to come down to these levels. And then after this, again, this 5551 to 5550, this range has been the balance zone, right? So we can say that this whole range is the balance zone that we created today, and finally we bounced off of it. And then the 54 to 55, the 55 line will be very important, correct? After that, we come down again to the 44 to the 42 area. Below this, we have our regular support and resistance areas, the balance zones that we created. And I do not think that we are going to come down somewhere here, because we already closed above this, and I think we are still in a mood to go up. There is nothing that is telling the market is going to dump down. So for now, we will be looking at these levels, and we know that if this is the TR now, and if we break out of the TR, if we say that this was the TR, and if we break out of the TR, let's be a little bit conservative and keep it here, then again 5575, we know that 5573 is already a target, right? So we are targeting this 5575 area maybe in the morning. So I'm expecting that if the price comes down here in this area, if we come down here, go back up, take a support here, and then we can go up like this in three legs, right? So that is the kind of expectation that we will have for tomorrow. However, we will have to see what happens overnight, what happens at 8:30 in the the morning, and how the prices moved, what kind of legs have been created on the higher time frames, how the higher time frame charts are looking. We will look at that at the 8:30 live pre-market call that we do on Google Meet. The link to the Google Meet is given in the description below. Along with that, you also have the description to our free Discord server and our Facebook page, and you are always welcome to join that. I will finish the video here. This was a small video because there is basically no change in analysis. Whatever we had yesterday, we have today also. And I will see you guys again. Have a great rest of the night, everyone. Bye.